So, ich bin jetzt bei Euphonix und neben mir sitzt JC und er zeigt uns mal etwas Neues, und zwar die MC Transport für das Euphonix Controller System. Hi JC.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent. So what we have here is a new product. It's actually the third product that we've released in the last year. And the MC Transport takes a lot of the functionality of the MC control and applies it in a smaller form factor that is accessible with one hand, either for a left-handed or right-handed person. Everything that you see here is totally customizable. So these soft keys can be programmed with either Yukon commands, hotkey commands, combinations of Yukons or hotkey commands for macros, or assigning commands that'll make the wheel do something different, right? Just like with the MC control. And there's a new feature with the MC Transport that hasn't been available in other control surfaces from Euphonix at this level, which is the assignable knob. So you can see with the surround panner here in Logic, that with the assignable knob command, we've opened up the surround panner, and now whatever we click on becomes what we're controlling with the knob.
Oh, cool.
So that'll work with any Yukon app, Cubase or Logic, for the faders, pans, plug-in parameters, or even the surround panner.
Okay. So can I use this only, or do I need to have the MC control with it?
You can use the MC Transport as a standalone unit, and I think that that'll be really interesting for video editors, for an example, who might want to have a more solid and formidable transport controller, but then also have the kind of functionality that we have here that allows you to program your own macros and perform edit functions without touching the keyboard and mouse.
And would I be able to, for example, use this mouse over function to edit VST instruments, like a filter of a synthesizer?
Let's just go over to Cubase here and let's show that. So if I don't think I have an instrument track here, but if I open up a plugin, for example, yeah, you'll see that whatever I select when I go into assignable function, if I click the mouse on it, it's then what I'm controlling with the knob.
Oh, cool.
So that'll be with any Yukon application.
What can I use the keypad for?
The keypad can be used by default for numeric keypad entry, but if we open up the soft key editor, you'll see there are now 3 new sections in the soft key editor, and if you go to numpad, you select which key you want to program, and then just go to command, and you can add a key command, Yukon command, page command, or
it could be anything. I could do like start, stop of Cubase on this?
Yeah, or even macro commands of multiple things that you'd like to call in sequence.
All right. Very, very cool. When will this be shipping?
This will be shipping in the summertime with an estimated cost of $399.
Okay, we did a video review on MusoTalk of the MC Control and the MC Mix, and so we'll really be interested in what has changed since then. And there were a couple of things like I think the display response and stuff like that has been improved.
Right. Next month we're going to be releasing a combination firmware and software update that greatly speeds the response of the touchscreen and the hard buttons. So you can see if I switch back to Logic, pressing the solo button, you get a really, really fast response. And going back to Final Cut Pro, where everything is context sensitive, as I move through the viewer, browser, and timeline, the whole screen and soft keys update simultaneously, very, very quickly.
Great. And when is that update ready? What do you think?
The 1.26 update is expected in the next month.
Cool. Yeah. How much? How much for the
estimated cost of $399?
Oh, that sounds reasonable. Thank you very much, JC.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure speaking with you.